what's up, you guys? This is my bike check for my thruster freestyle. Alright, let's get started. I got new bell grips right there. They used to go to those bike, but he got new ones, so I just got these ones. I got a new neck with a front clamp there. That's a Thruster Chaos clamp. Then we go down here to my cranks. I got two-piece stock cranks. Two-piece stock cranks. I got Nikon pedals. Right there, I got a 32 by 15 piece sprocket, stock tires, stock seat, stock handlebars. And here's me. What's up? And that's my bike check. Thanks for watching. Bye.